The first time I wore my seatbelt was the night my brother died, 1996, which was 21 years ago. And I've wore it every day since then. And I called my mom. Again, she was hysterical, but I mean, it was pretty clear. He did not have a seatbelt on. My brother did not have a seatbelt on. And he was ejected. And yeah, now you realize, oh, that's important. And it's too bad that we had to lose somebody for us to learn that lesson. People, they make that mistake, that fatal mistake all the time, you know?